Discover the new enhanced Encore 29. Confection has developed new parts and components to simplify your maintenance activities as well as to optimize the cleaning procedure. And after thousands of successful performance tests, the Encore 29 is more robust and reliable than ever. This 360-degree process improvement approach gives you a faster front access and auto-alignment of soluble canisters and nested components. It also reduces maintenance time and offers a cleaner environment. Built with food-grade plastics, paint and metal parts, and stainless steel components, the new enhanced Encore comes with a door seal, recessed components, cleaner and easy-to-wash silicone sheath. Significant change has been done to ensure that all surfaces are smoother to allow easy cleaning. A healthy coffee starts with a clean machine. Now so easy with this new Encore 29. Contact us to learn more about our exceptional coffee technology and to get our advanced training on coffee machines.